Hi, Robin and Chet here with Sea Lake Journeys.
Sea Lake Journeys.
Aboard the Carnival Conquest. Today's video is about being a wise traveler.
This is the shore excursion edition.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off all of our expensive jewelry and we are going to put it in the safe.
You don't want to be a target. Thieves anywhere in the world, whether it's at home, on a cruise ship, or abroad, will be looking for that high-end stuff to steal, which includes jewelry because it's easy to hide. But put your jewelry in the safe.
We choose not to take our passports. What we choose to do is we choose to take a photo of our passports.
Don't take your passport unless it's required. Some places will require it. I want to remind you, you also need to take your shipboard card so you can get off and on the ship. But we have to take with us a government ID.
So we're going to take our driver's license because if we lose our driver's license, that's not as big of a deal as losing our passport.
That's right. So some of these things are ship regulations, some of them are island or destination regulations, and some of them, we just want you to know so you don't get in trouble. Yeah, don't carry a whole bunch of cash. Just carry what you think you're going to need. So we recommend closed-toed shoes. We're also going to take hats. Also, some places will recommend you carry bug repellent with you. Some other clothing ideas we want to tell you before you go. Don't wear camo. A lot of places don't like that. In fact, in some places it's illegal. So leave your camo clothes at home. That's what we recommend, just to avoid any possibility of getting in trouble there.
So another little tip we have is I have this little change purse. First of all, it has a little wristband, so if I'm carrying it, I can carry it like this and it's still attached to me. And it has a large zipper area, but a smaller zipper area. So what I do is for example, we're going to rent a golf cart. The golf cart's $60. So in this small pocket, I have only $60. That way they will not see me open up my large area and see a lot of cash or as much cash as I have. Sometimes it looks like more than it is because we carry quite a few ones to tip people. So it looks like I'm carrying a lot more money than I am, but just to be safe, this way they can see that I only have a certain amount of money and because I've got it in a separate zipper pouch. Just a tip.
The last thing we need to do is get our ship contact information.
So we're going to have to take a picture.
Sign is on the gangway.
Do ask that you give us a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed to our channel, be sure to subscribe to our channel. It helps other people find us as well. And we would love to have you as part of the Sea Lake Journey crew. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
Ding ding.
That way you know when our videos are coming out. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.